Hi folks, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. We are doing subordinating conjunctions. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get started. Once. Let's try to understand this once with the help of examples. First, once you see her, you will recognize her. Next, once you learn the rules of English grammar, it will be very easy for you to understand English language. Next, they go for dinner together once a month. My cousin once worked in that company. Next is nevertheless. It shows contrast. For example, it was a rough game. Nevertheless, we prevailed. So, nevertheless shows contrast. So, here you can use however also. Both have the same meaning. The doctors tried their best. Nevertheless, they couldn't save the patient's life. So, the doctors tried their best. However, they couldn't save the patient's life. Here you can see two opposite ideas or thoughts. She was tired. Nevertheless, she kept on working. So, here also you can see two different and opposite ideas or thoughts. Both are joined with the help of nevertheless. It means however. Next, there was no news. Nevertheless, they went on hoping. So, nevertheless means however. Let's do exercise. Use once or nevertheless. Three sentences are given and you have to use appropriate one either once or nevertheless. Your time starts now. Let's check answers. First, he was once a noble man. Second, once you learn it, you will never forget. So here once is appropriate one. Last one, the village is very small, nevertheless it is high tech. So nevertheless is the correct answer. It means however. It shows contrast. So friends, here we end second type of conjunctions and that is subordinating conjunctions. See you soon in my next video. Till then, keep watching and keep subscribing. Bye for now.